but probably in the cellar strap him. You are gone tea. Lord. Moving on, families and friends. Because right now, I have to say condolences to the family here. Because as you realize, in the past week, it has been precipitating profusively in the island of Jamaica. Means that it a rain enough. So I don't want in a 2 months the people them a talk about they need water because every year this happen. But St. Catherine, Jamaica, the search for 2 persons swept away in a vehicle by floodwater continue. But unfortunately, the officials are saying that they have found the body of a man and a woman Thursday after the motor vehicle in which they were traveling was washed away by flood in St. Catherine. Now this occurred in Louisville. The deceased are 58-year-old Junior Gordon. Rastafari, I know. And Teresa Green. And it was reported that during this torrential downpour, the tropical storm Raphael, on Tuesday, the vehicle in which the 2 were traveling got into difficulties while they were driving in rising water in Louisville area. Now, there's a video circulating online, families and friends, as the search for the 2 ended in tragedy on Thursday. January, the vehicle was spotted in section of Louisville, and the body were subsequently retrieved from the inside of the vehicle with the assistance of record from the nearby Worthy Park estate. And we want to find out why Jamaicans tend to drive their vehicle through water. Because I'm out on the road sometimes, you know. And I can tell you that this rain wasn't no normal rain. You can see it wasn't no normal rain because I see some video upon the social media. I think me all have few video. And me I say for real. I said the water go on. No, sorry about that, family. I said the water go on. Water that go on serious, family. And we have to over as families and friends say. Sometimes you have to just pull over. Sometimes you just have to wait it out. It's like say we're not on chilling away. We're not on waiting in a way. You know me now say like them do this on purpose or whatsoever, but when rain a fall from his and friends, they them have to know themselves, man. Yeah, man. They them have to know, say, yo, you know, say, nature tough for me. Yeah, man, you have to know, say, nature tough for you, man, because sometimes you want to go someplace and you don't make it. I click on the wrong file, so give me 1 second. Sometimes you want to go a certain place and you don't make it just because you're in a hurry. Now me have a story where everybody have view upon the internet here, and I'm going to talk about it. But more I show you how the water that stay in a Jamaica families and friends. The water is serious in a Jamaica.
No, sir.
Hear that? Look at the water in a Jamaica.
Chop, lad.
Look on the water in a St. Cat. Look on the water in a Jamaica family. In the water, you know, in the water, you know, back up from the pond. And I'm not to get my turn.
I want a river bus of that.
I really bring it down, man. Crazy rain fall on me.
So I just have to know.
We know wash away all the niggas to bumper flat.
You could drive to the water and the water is going to be on your stuff. Look at the pants are falling in the water. I see your waterfall.
No, sir.
Serious waterfall.
Me chat too much, so why you over here?
Alright, this is
Why you
my
over
place,
here?
yes or no?
See, babes, look something there.
St. Elizabeth. This is the
This is
Holland
Island
Bamboo.
Bamboo. To you chat and move so quick, me can't find you for black you, but you get wet today. Oh, see it here. See you come here. Hold on. Hold on. Yay!
Jamaica's national landmark. This
Yeah.
is the right family.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, man, you get black already. I don't know where Chrissy there for black them. I don't know where Chrissy there.
The national landmark, no
Yes.
yes. Family and friends.
But a regular something this to me. I don't know where him a go. You know, amount of suppose somebody will have a car when I work so good. And they want to come and them say, you know what, me I go wait. Hold off for 10 minutes. Nothing wrong. Eh? Yeah, man. Me I swim. Yeah, so then no fun time. Me always, long before phone, you see it?
Holland Bamboo stay right
But-
now, families and friends. Y'all got